Good morning. My name is Michael Robert Muscatello. Today I'm going to be doing a little demo of how to fold up and seal our 24 by 27 inch copper bags from Liberty Storage Bags. What I'm going to be sealing up here is my Happy Place pillow. Unfortunately, my beautiful cannabis farm is still sitting off in the future. So for now, we're going to be packaging this up here. I've got my bag. I've got 3 clips. 4 clips is preferable, or a roll of tape. But I've got 3 clips here. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put my pillow inside my bag. It'll sit there at the bottom. The pillow's going to take up probably about 2-3 pounds worth of space, so it's a fairly realistic size here. And what we're going to do is just take the corners of the bag here, and we're going to fold them up right about 2 inches. You want about 2 inches for your fold. So you can use, 3 fingers, however you'd like to go about it. I usually just eyeball it. And make sure that a little bit of air's come out of the bag, because you don't want it to turn into a big balloon. So we do our first fold, second fold. By the third fold, it'll start to be a little bit more uniform. You can kind of flatten your fold out if you'd like to run your hand along it. Now, what we're shooting for is 4 folds. That's optimal. Personally, I like to go to 5. 3 will work, but there should be no reason, as long as you're not overstuffing the bag, that you can't get at least 4 folds in. So I'll go ahead, I'll get my 4th fold here. Now, if you have tape, you'd just be taping these folds down right to the bag itself. You'd be taping them down right here. I'd put maybe 4 or 5 strips of tape. If you're using clips, it's recommended that you have 4 clips. I'm going to go ahead and put 3 clips on here today. And then you'll see that the bag is not losing any air, right? So if we go ahead and squeeze the bag, there's no change. It's like a big balloon. It doesn't release air. You'd be able to hear the air that was coming out if there was any kind of issue with the seal. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, you can always give me a call at 908-268-8609, or you can email collaborate@libertystoragebags.com. Thank you very much.